And they're all sitting over here, waiting for lunch to come in. Well, beginning of day 3, and I am here hiking with Jason. Hey, Jason.
How's it going today?
All right. This is every day on the trail is better than any day in the office, isn't it?
Exactly.
So, yeah, oh, there comes vehicle. We're now walking down to Stafford Beach, and that's where we'll spend the night. I don't know, how far is it down here?
Was it 8 miles total?
I think so, around 8. I think that's right. Yeah, so 7 or 8 miles. And then tomorrow morning, hope to get sunrise across the beach, and then head back to the ranger station, get on the ferry, and call this a hike, which is the second episode of Trails Less Traveled. So come on, let's go walking. Every once in a while you come up on something new on the trail. Here we are. It's welcoming us to Stafford Beach. Welcome to Stafford Beach. This will be our last night on the island for this trip. It's been really a good trip. We have seen more horses this year than last. The beach is beautiful. The sunrises and the sunsets. Tomorrow morning, the plan is that I'll get up around probably 5 o'clock in the morning. I'll strike camp, get ready to go, and then from there we'll head back down to the ranger station where we'll catch the ferry. The ferry comes over from mainland at 10:15. Is supposed to be when we'll be boarding, I think. So we'll be there early. We'll leave here about 8 o'clock in the morning, about 3.5 miles, not bad to get there, and then make it back over to mainland, And then I have to get back home. We have some things that we've got to get accomplished. I'm going to drive up to Madison, Alabama, drop Rick off, and then head toward Kansas. Close on our house on March the 2nd. And then March the 4th, we'll receive our household goods. And then finally, March the 15th, I'll be back on trail again, this time for the 3rd installment of Trails Less Travel. All right, see you in a little bit. I think this is my favorite part on the board, the island and the beach. Trip this has been. Took some doing to get here, not just for me. We came from literally around the world. We had Kat from Belgium, we had Jason that came in from Wisconsin, Metro on the Move in from the Atlanta area. Of course, there was Ice Bear that came in from Pennsylvania. Nicole hikes a lot, and her husband Tim in from Indiana. Senior hiker 77 from Georgia. To make the hike complete, we'd have to have Kevin, atypical hiker, who was both our entertainment and great friend. All worth it. Another great time of fellowship together. Another great time that we can hike across this beautiful island. The sun will rise on our final day here and will set on this collaborative hike. Here we are back at the ranger station where we'll be catching the ferry here just in probably a half hour from now. But just wanted to say it's been a wonderful trip. We had 11 of us with us, and the one that we didn't bring with us was RVA Hiker Girl. And RVA, she drove to St. Mary's to give us a send-off and to wave as the ferry made its way across the channel over to the island. But RVA, we missed you, and we wish you could have been with us, but fully understand. And just wishing you all the best and giving you a wave until next time when we get a chance to hike again. You know, there's a saying about the trail provides. This week, Nicole hikes a lot, was telling me how she got into YouTube. Her and Tim, her husband, were hiking on a trail, and there was a GoPro lying on the side of the trail. No way of identifying who it belonged to, and so they began to use that GoPro to start their channel. And again, if you haven't seen it, you really need to go and check out Nicole Hikes a Lot's channel. It's a lot of fun. She's a hiker. Tim is a hiker. They do a great job. The last evening of our hike, we were there at the beach, and up walks Jerry West and his wife Kirsten. They're volunteers at Cumberland Island, and they live in Maryland. They come down and volunteer January, February every year. They follow along on my adventures, and I appreciate that, guys. But I appreciate more than your loyalty was just your friendship. Again, you know, the trail just has magic to it. All right, here we go.